Hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is obviously Light Liger here, and today I'm gonna be finally reviewing the Wirex Debit card that I've been using for some months now. And there's a lot of crypto cards in the market right now, and a lot to choose from, and all of them have their own strengths and weaknesses. Some of them are not available worldwide, some of them only operate in certain regions, some of them have different fees and limits, some of them also have different features which are not available on the other, and some of them also have coins and tokens which are only available in that specific card. So you have to do much research as possible to find the card that is serving your purpose the most, okay? And I chose Wirex, not a really any strong specific reason why. I felt that the Crypto.com cards, which are the most shilled and most mainstream ones right now, the problem with them was in order to upgrade your tiers, you need to buy the tokens, and I felt that you have to buy quite a lot of tokens in order to upgrade the card. And also when you upgrade the card, you have to get a new physical one at the same time. The Wirex's tier model functions a bit differently, whereas you only need to buy the tokens and deposit them into the account, and then you don't need to change the card at all. You just keep it same, and it just looks the balance in the actual account you have, and then you get the higher percentage. So I found it a bit more convenient option for me personally. It may not be convenient for you, obviously, because the regions are always obviously different. And I also like that the Wirex has actual browser client that I can log into. I really don't like any applications which are phone only. So that was another thing that I was really pissed about regarding Crypto.com. And when it comes to ordering the card, it's free. Okay, there's no cost to the postage or anything. I got it inside a week or so. And obviously you have to deposit crypto or fiat in order to use it. There are fees in the Euro and the American regions. In Asia, there's no fees whatsoever. We're going to be looking at those charts in a second. And that is basically the only fee that kind of exists on Wirex. Yes, there are fees attached into the ATMs and cash outs and all of those, which we're going to be looking back. And there's a crypto back. It's not as high as the Crypto.com, and obviously not everybody's going to be buying it for crypto back. Some people just want to use ATMs, withdraw money. And that's where Wirex, I feel, is very strong. I'm going to be talking about those numbers in a second. So the first rate, or the normal tier, is 0.5%, and the highest is 1.5%. But I would argue that acquiring the Wirex's own tokens must be a bit more affordable than the MCO tokens. I haven't done the math, but in general, I think the Wirex tokens are a bit more affordable. And there's multitude of different cryptos here. Some things that the Crypto.com card doesn't have is Waves and Nano, and those are especially Nano. I love using Nano and Wirex together. It's just a great combination because instant transactions, and Nano is always, as I say, I view it more as a currency than a speculative value. So I always viewed Nano as this like a pseudo stable coin of sorts. There's also exchange inside it, crypto to crypto, fiat to crypto, crypto to fiat, which is very good. There's small fees attached to that. I think changing from crypto to crypto, there's no fees at all though. And there's certification, security systems, to authenticator, blah, blah, blah. But let's kind of look into the actual dashboard. Well, actually, let's start with the fees. So as I said, in the beginning, there is a 1.2 euro per month that is paid on the 14th in the EEA regions. I believe that is the European Union and America and Canada. And that is actually free on the APAC regions. I don't know what that is. And rest of the world also free. And there's account maintenance and everything like that regarding is free. And if you don't pay it for 2 months in a row, the fee that is, the maintenance fee, the account will be closed. So don't worry about losing a 1 month and you didn't remember to top it up. It will not close down. You just have to pay that fee retroactively. And here's a lot of the numbers and you can take a look at them yourself. But one of the better things compared to the MCO card, and I'm making comparisons to that because I'm most familiar with that one, and that's probably the one that people are also thinking to get. The ATM basically limitations and fees are better on Wirex because it's a standard fee. So with the actual MCO cards, you get to withdraw $200 for free, and then there's a percentual thing, like what was 2%. But let's say with this one, you have $2.5 fee on, or 2.25 euros to do an ATM fee. But if you're going to be, let's say you're going to be withdrawing $5,000, this is going to be cheaper through ATM than the Crypto.com card. Also, the Crypto.com card has daily limitations how many withdrawals you can do through ATM. So in terms of ATMs, Wirex is definitely a lot better. But in other parts, it's roughly the same or slightly the worse. And it is really up to you what type of system you want to use and all that. The referral reward system is better on Wirex also. Please sign under me if you're going to be choosing this coin or token. This card. Both of us will get $5 each in Bitcoin if we are going to be signing up. And let's kind of look into the dashboard. It's very simple. I'm going to be showing you how everything is basically done. How do I top out the my card with crypto? And I can like buy groceries because moving from PayPal can take 2 days and there's a lot of problems. So first of all, we're going to be seeing the balance. So here's one of my cashback Bitcoin rewards that I'll be getting. Cashback is always paid on Bitcoin. I think in a lot of ways that is actually pretty nice. The coins that are supported here are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, Waves. Wolo is a Stellar token, DAI, Nano, Stellar Lumens, and Euro. And I'm going to be using Ethereum right now, and I'm going to be clicking Add Funds, and I'm going to be choosing, I could choose to move the Bitcoin into Ethereum, don't want to do that. QR code, copying it here, copy, opening in my Exodus, send how much I want to send. I'm going to be putting $20 because later in this video we're going to be going shopping. So I'm going to be sending that into this account. It's going to be taking a minute or two to get into there. And 10 seconds literally later, the Ethereum basically added up into the balance. And what we need to do now is to exchange the Ethereum into Euro. And we're going to be putting the maximum amount. And you can calculate the number, calculate in Ethereum. Using up the maximum amount, continue, and exchange. Bada beam, bada boom. It is now there. Clicking the card and add funds to the card, and now we're going to be putting out everything that we have, and voila, it is now on the actual card. We need to refresh a bit, and here we have 23 euros now on the card, and now we're going to be going into the store and using that card in the machine.
Oliko se plussakortti myös?
And now we can see the actual market transaction in our dashboard, what was the cost of it, and also how much Satoshis we got back through the crypto cashback. And that is pretty much my rundown of the Wirex card. I've been enjoying it so far. I don't really have any reason to stop using it in the near term at least. And in case you want to try it out yourself, I have my link down below. Also, you can send me Wirex tokens in case developers are watching. You can share the video also. More people learning about these cards is better for mass adoption among financial independence and everything regarding that. But that is, as I said, my rundown. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments section and then let's see if I can answer them. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.